X. Welcome back once again. So we are looking for X in this case. We have X plus 2 is equal to X. Okay. Now to solve this, if you group like terms, you see that our equation will become invalid. Okay. So now what we have to do is X plus 2 is equal to X. We square both sides of this equation. Okay. And then when you come to algebra, we have a plus b all squared. This expression giving us a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Okay. Now, so our equation now becomes x squared plus 2 multiplied by x multiplied by 2, okay, plus 2 squared, which is equal to x squared. Let's simplify this. So can get x squared, and then this 2, I'm going to get 2 times 2 is 4 times x plus 4x, then plus 4 squared, 4, sorry, 2 squared is 4, which is equal to x squared. Okay. Now let's group all the terms to one side. With this, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4 minus x squared is equal to 0. So in this case, x cancel x, leaving 4x plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, now we need x, so we have to make x the subject here. So we have 4x is equal to negative 4. We divide both sides by 4. So we get by 4. We get x is equal to negative 1. Okay, now let's check to see if 4 is indeed negative 1. So let's verify to see if x is negative 1. So we have x plus 2 is equal to x. And now we are saying that x is equal to negative 1. So we have negative 1 plus 2 is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1, which is not equal to negative 1. Okay, so it means that x, which is equal to 1, will reject, doesn't satisfy the equation, okay, and which means that it has no real solution. The solution is extreme. Please, this is our answer for this question. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.